All right, this I can statement says I can calculate the average speed by dividing the distance or total ground covered by the elapsed time. Let's take a look at an example here. It says Andrew rode his bike to school at a steady rate of 12 miles an hour east and reaches his school in 1 hour. He stops at school for 30 minutes. Then he rides his bike at a steady speed of 6 miles per hour west and arrives back home in 2 hours. What is Andrew's average speed? Well, let's take a look at the equation for speed first. Speed equals total distance over time. So to figure this out, let's first find the total distance. It says here he went 12 miles an hour east for 1 hour, which of course means he traveled 12 miles. So we have 12 miles here. Again, we're figuring out distance. He stopped at school for 30 minutes. Clearly he's not moving at all here, so I'm going to put plus 0. Then it says, then he rides his bike at a steady speed of 6 miles an hour west and arrives back home in 2 hours. So if he goes 6 miles per hour for 2 hours, that must mean, again, he's going 12 miles. All right, so that would be our total ground covered, or total distance, over time. So how much time has he gone for? Well, let's look at the question again. It says 12 miles per hour, reaches his house in 1 hour. So the first part, we have 1 hour for the ride there. He stops at the school for 30 minutes, so plus 30 minutes. And then it looks like the ride back took him 2 hours, so plus 2 hours. So now all I have to do is calculate it from here. So speed equals 24 miles, that's 12 plus 0 plus 12, over, let's add all these together, let's see here, 1 hour, 2 hours, that's 3 hours and 30 minutes, okay? So I know you went a total of 24 miles and 3 hours and 30 minutes, which I know is the same as 24 miles over 3.5 hours. And of course I know this because 30 minutes is the same as a half of an hour. Now if I go ahead and calculate this, what I should get is 6.9 miles per hour. So this here would be my average speed.